Today, let's see the most important application of AAC. Using augmentative and alternative communication in daily routine is an effective way to help children with communication challenges engage meaningfully with their environment. By integrating AAC into everyday tasks, children can learn to express their needs, make choices, and develop communication skills in a natural context. Let us take a few examples. During the morning routines, visual schedules with AAC symbols can guide the child through each step, like brushing teeth, washing face, or getting dressed. Child can make the choices and let the children choose what to wear using their AAC device, like picking between shirts or the colors or the shoes, etc. And it is a very good opportunity to use the core words like done, more, next, or help to navigate the tasks. Quickly, let's look at the few examples of morning routines and what kind of choices can the kids make and what core words can they use. Waking up time. The choice could be alarm clock or the natural waking up. And the core words could be wake, up, and start. Then comes brushing teeth. The choice could be electric toothbrush or manual toothbrush. Or child does it himself or mama or daddy helps. Anything can be made to choose. The core words could be brush, teeth, and clean. The next step in the morning routine is getting dressed. The choices could be casual clothes or the school uniform or the colors. Core words could be clothes, wear, choose. Then eating breakfast. So whether the child wants to eat a dosa or idli or toast, and the core words could be eat, breakfast, and food. Next comes packing the bag. The choice could be books or lunch box, and the core words used could be pack, bag, and ready. And then going to school. The choice could be walking or bike or bus, and the core words could be go, school, and travel. The next area where AAC could be used in a daily routine is the mealtime. The child can make requests and we can encourage the child to use AAC to request food or drinks like I want juice or I want rice or I want more rice. Then child can use the AAC to comment on the food like yummy, hot, cold, or all done. The child can make choices when the two food options are offered to the child and child can select it through the AAC system. The next area of daily routine where the AAC could be used is playtime. The child can request for the specific toys using their AAC device or symbols like I want ball or play blocks or just a single word blocks, ball, Play-Doh. It all depends upon what is the communication level of the child. Then the AAC could be used for turn taking in the playtime because that is such an important social skill which is needed to be used during playtime. And we can use AAC to support turn taking phrases like my turn, your turn. And then child can share the experiences by describing. We can use AAC to describe actions, objects, or feelings during play, like go fast, big truck, I had fun. The next area where we could use AAC is the bath time. A very sensory experience and most of the children, they love water. We can use core words like wash, wet, soap, water, and all done to communicate different parts of this routine. Then child can make choices and can choose the bath toys or the type of soap or shampoo he wants to use. The child can make requests and ask for towel, bubbles or water temperature preferences using their AAC systems. Then we can use AAC during the bedtime routines. So for example, We can use the AAC to point out or comment on pictures, ask questions, or follow along with the story like who, what, funny, where, etc. And we can use AAC to help the child to learn to express the feelings like tired, happy, scared. The child can use AAC for requesting songs or stories. They can choose a bedtime story or a lullaby through their AAC devices. One of the best way to use AAC is to take AAC when you go out for outings or shopping. The child can make choices when child is either shopping or on an outing. The child can use AAC to help pick items from the store, like selecting between fruits, snacks, or drinks. We can encourage children to request things they want while they're out, like I want apple, I need help. And of course, we can use a lot of core words here like go, stop, in, and out. These are some very useful words for communication during trips or when moving through different environments. Then household chores. Children, they can learn to follow instructions through AAC for the simple chores like wipe table, clean up toys. Children can learn to comment on the progress. They can use AAC to say done, more, finished, or I need help during tasks. And of course, making requests. They can request cleaning tools like a broom or a dustpan through their AAC systems. One of the things which we want from our children is to have conversations. So AAC is the best way to get it in during the family times. We can use AAC for greeting the family members and say hello and goodbye to family members. Then children can use AAC to share their feelings. We can encourage the children to use AAC to talk about their day, express feelings like happy, sad, or excited. Or we can also encourage them to ask questions from us using their AAC. Then children can request activities as usual. They can suggest family activities like playing a game, going for a walk, or watching TV using AAC. And then we can use AAC for the most difficult aspect with some of our children, which is transitions. So we can always let the children know in advance that things are going to change. So we can actually give them a warning of change through the AAC systems and prepare them for transitions like task is almost done, time to go, or wait. It helps them to learn to manage their expectations, and we can use the device to set the clear expectations like 5 minutes left, or we are leaving soon, or the time for playing this toy is going to be over soon. The class is over soon. Anything we can use here. And we can use the goodbye routine using AAC to say goodbye to people or places. We can use it at school or at the friend's house. By embedding AAC into everyday routines, children have ongoing opportunities to practice communication in meaningful and functional contexts. This not only enhances their ability to express themselves, but also builds confidence in using AAC consistently. See you tomorrow again with a new topic. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.